With the increasing need to open offices away from offices, we need reliable solutions that help you to connect the office LAN and CRM. Sporadic and unreliable internet connection could freeze your virtual meetings, data sharing, and ultimately your business growth. With the increasing necessity for digitization where the workforce is moving out of office, all businesses need an always-on and secure internet connection. It must also feature complete manageability and remote accessibility of services and business applications. Smart Internet Lease Line is a one-stop solution for all your business connectivity needs. It enables high-speed bandwidth with the convenience of scalability and security. Smart Internet Lease Line is a state-of-the-art technology that allows you to work from home. It is bundled with the security of UTM, which provides content filtering, antivirus, anti-malware, etc. This is a complete managed solution. It comes with symmetric bandwidth, ensuring similar upload and download speeds over the internet. With uncontended bandwidth and unlimited data, you can collaborate virtually with clients, vendors and teams, share mission-critical data, and link all your offices and facilities on a secure platform. Smart Internet Lease Line's convenient features allow your team to access their systems remotely, so they can work from home or anywhere. Smart Internet Lease Line helps you monitor the performance of your internet data with a user-friendly interface. You can have complete transparency of your data usage, as well as avoid traffic congestion and increase your bandwidth as per your business need. With Tata Tele Business Services Smart Internet Lease Line, you incur no additional capital cost burden. It helps lower operational expenses, enhances productivity, and ensures higher returns on your investment. TTBS is a market leader in providing unparalleled and complete connectivity solutions. As part of the Tata Group, you can be assured of the latest technology in security and manageability, dual last-mile connectivity, and most importantly, best-in-class uptime with Smart Internet Lease Line. Contact the Tata Tele Business Services team today